Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen, find the option called Watch Settings and tap on it. Here, scroll down and look for the option called Display and Brightness and tap on it, of course. And here you will see the brightness option and you can tap on it. And now you can adjust the brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. And once you adjust it, you can press the back button to go back. It's a bit too bright now, but as you can see, the brightness changed. You can also use the controls menu for that. So if you press and hold the light button to open the menu, you can scroll through this menu and look for the brightness icon. By default, it won't be here. And what you can do about it is to press and hold the up button to open the menu, then tap on all controls, find the brightness menu or brightness option rather, my bad, tap on it. You will see the control added message, and then you can press the back button. And now in the control menu, the brightness icon should appear. And once you select it, you can press the start button and will open this menu. You can adjust the brightness and then you can press the back button. You can even see the state of the brightness. Now it's low, but if you set it to high, it will say high. So you can adjust it to your liking. Okay. And once you're done, of course, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.